Hi all, welcome back. So before I decode this lesson, let us see the phonograms and spelling rules. Okay. So AY, it says long A sound, that is A. A. Okay, here AY is telling long A sound, A. Okay. And other thing is, letter O says its lazy sound when O is before M and V th, that is the, or after W. For example, monkey. Here see, O is telling his lazy sound because why? The O is before letter M. Here you see, before M and V and TH, O says lazy sound, and after W also. Here also see, O is telling his lazy sound. A, k, E, monkey. Ong. It's not telling the letter O sound, it's telling lazy sound. Okay. Vowel team EA has three sounds, that is A, E and A. When I decode the lessons, I will tell you which word is pronounced like long E or long A or short E sound. Okay. Next is EY says long A sound A and long E sound E. Like the A, EY is saying A, K, E. EY is telling long E sound. Okay. Next is letter C is having two sound. First sound is K, second sound is S. Letter C followed by I, E, O, Y. Letter C will say the sound of S, that is S. Same like that. Even the letter G is having two sound, G and J. G followed by I, E and Y. G will tell the sound of J. But there are few exceptions in this. Okay. Three letters which make one sound, that is Ch. These three letters we use only after a single short vowel. Okay. For example, V, A, Ch. A is a single short vowel. After that, when we hear the sound ch, you should add one TCH. Three letters ch. Okay. And EW is having two sound, that is U and U. OW, this is having two sound, as OW and O. Long O sound. OW, O. AW says a sound. Letter Y is having four sound, that is ya, e, I, E. I will explain when you come word across in textbook. Letter A is having three sounds. Short A sound a, long A sound A, broad A sound a. All the vowels, when vowels is followed by letter R, then it is called R controlled vowels. AR says OR says and UR says sound. Let us start decoding full lessons using these phonograms and spelling rules. Okay. I want. I want. I want to E. E is in open syllable place, so it's saying E, B, big, big. S. Here I told you AY says long A sound. S. Little. E, t, little. E is silent. Monkey. A, k, E. Monkey. Here EY is telling long E sound. Letter O is telling his swaswan. Why? The O is before the letter N. You know the rules, right? I want to be strong. Here letter O is telling lazy sound. NG is a sound. A voice. Eyes. E is silent. A magic of E is telling I to tell his long sound. A voice. Woman. Here O is telling his long sound because after W was come and before M also was come. So O is telling his lazy sound. And hears. Ears. Here E is telling long E sound. I told you EA is having 3 sounds, right? Here EA is telling long E sound. Hears him. Take. Take. E is silent. E is telling A to tell his long sound. D. TH together we says D. A. Z. S is telling here Z sound. Why? I is there before S. So S will say Z sound. Magic. Magic. Wand. Wand. E is telling long E sound. S. And all. Here he is telling his broad sound. All your wishes. Wishes. Can. E is silent. Here O is telling his lazy sound because letter M must come here. True. Is silent. A giraffe. Is silent. Here G is telling J sound. Why? Because G followed by I, E or Y, G tell the sound of J, that is J. A giraffe comes. Is silent. I. Here letter Y is telling long I sound. I. He stretches. Here T, C, H. 3 letters. It's making CH sound. That is ch. The rule is when you hear the CH sound before a short vowel, you have to write TCH. Okay? S stretches. His. Long. Neck. He eats. Here E A is telling long E sound. He eats the eat. Eat. Double E comes. You have to read this as long E sound. Eats. Leaves. Here is telling long E sound. At the top of the E's. Double E comes. It says long E sound. I want a long neck, says little monkey. Up. Actually, which other word I have decoded? I am not decoding it again. Okay. His neck. O's. Here OW is telling long O sound. Long. Just. Ike is silent. He is telling I to tell his long sound. The giraffes. Little monkey is happy. E. Here letter Y is telling long E sound. Actually, in this word there are 2 syllables. Happy. When you can see 2 vowels, then it is a 2 syllable word. If it is more than 1 syllable word, Y, if it is an end, Y says long E sound. Okay. An elephant. L-O-E. He is telling long sound. PH is F. PH says F sound. That is F. And elephant. Elephant comes down. Down. Here you see OW is telling long O sound, whereas here d-own, d-own. OW is saying ow sound. Okay, d-own to the river. E-v, R is controlling E sound. ER is telling river. He fills, fills his trunk, trunk, with water, water. Here A is telling his broad sound. The W, after that A comes, A is telling his third sound, that is broad sound. Okay. He blows, here see OW is saying long O sound. He blows it all over himself. Himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey bang. Just like that, he grows a trunk. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. Next. Little monkey see a zebra. Zebra. Here A is telling short A. Whenever you see letter A at the end of the word, letter A says is broad sound. That's a. Zebra. Zebra. I want stripes. I. E is silent. E is telling I to tell is long sound. Like the O's. The O's. E is silent. E is making O to tell his long sound. He says Vzz. Little monkey has stripes all over his body. B-O-D-E. I told you here already one vowel is there. Now here also, now Y is telling us long E sound. Body, just like zebra. He is very, very happy. He goes. O, E says O sound. He goes to the river to try. I. Here Y is telling Aisha, I sound, long I sound. There is no any other vowels. Here Y is adding as a vowel. So in that word, very small word, when Y come in the end, Y is a short I sound. Okay. Out. See here, O, U is saying ow sound. Out. His new trunk. He looks down. He sees himself in the water. Mother. Here is he. Here O is telling his short lazy vowel sound. Mother. He cries. Eyes. I is saying I sound. Help. Help. A monster. Here O is telling lazy sound. Monster. That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. You want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like zebra. Don't you remember? Little monkey cries and cries. I look awful, he says here. AW saying broad A sound. Fool. He says, I want to be myself. There is a pop, a bang, and a whizz. The little monkey himself again. He jumps for joy. Here OY is saying oi sound. He throws. O. Here OW is saying long O sound. He throws the magic wand into the river. He never. He never wants to be an E. Here I is telling E, long E sound, one else again. Thank you.